What does it take to bring your design work to life without manufacturing a single part? It takes SOLIDWORKS Visualize. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is a camera for your CAD data and helps you leverage your design work to create photo quality and true visualizations directly from your CAD model. Utilizing the industry's most powerful ray tracing engine, painting your model with accurate materials is easy with drag and drop functionality. SOLIDWORKS Visualize real-time photo accurate results allow you and your customers to remove any guesswork. Everyone can see exactly what your products will look like before you commit to manufacture. This makes it easy and efficient to explore different colors and styles for your products. SOLIDWORKS Visualize allows you to create compelling content easily. Advanced controls allow you to tune every aspect of the materials. Whether you are creating images and content for your website, marketing material, or an advert, SOLIDWORKS Visualize has the power to bring great designs to life and compel your audience's attention, all from the convenience of your CAD data. If you would like to find out more, please get in contact with SolidX today.